art is made with love. I make art with love sometimes. My art gets made as a function of feelings. Those feelings are not always pleasant. I may be extremely anxious and paint a landscape in hopes to collect myself and find some calm. I might paint a mini because I like to choose the colors for it, and that helps me escape overwhelming thoughts. So that lovely sunset scene might have been made with panic. I might be dealing with depression, and making a necklace gives me a way to do something that I don't need to think about. The repetition of making a chain is nice because it keeps my hands busy. That jewelry might be made with melancholy. I might be overwhelmed with tasks or something I just don't understand. So, picking words out from a book page to make a blackout poem forces me to focus on just one thing at a time. A blackout poem might be made with confusion. Some art is just there to try new things, experiment, or because I'm out of ideas and just really like painting clouds. I'll get bored and I happen to find gluing sand to a base for a mini is more helpful than scrolling through an article. So when I talk about my art, I say that I love doing it. I'll tell people it helps me focus. It helps me sort out the world around me. I'll say that it helps me sort myself out. Creating stuff does make me really happy, and it's something I pursue. I get a sense of fulfillment from it. I get a sense of purpose with all the projects I start. I enjoy showing my work to others. It's helpful when I can sell pieces. I love doing all of those things. So in this way, my art is made with love, I guess. It's just that that's not entirely accurate. My art is made with purpose and love and a lot of other feelings.